if you can hear me, or if you're even there. I don't know if you would listen to a humble prayer. They say that I am just an outcast. I shouldn't speak to you. Still I see your face and wonder, were you once an outcast too? God help the outcast, hungry from birth. Show them the mercy they don't find on earth. The lost and forgotten, they look to you still. God help the outcasts, or nobody will. I ask for nothing, I can get by, but there are so many less lucky than I. God help the outcast, the poor and downtrod. I thought we all were the children of God. I don't know if there's a reason why some are blessed, some not. Why the few you seem to favor? They fear us, flee us, try not to see us. God help the outcast, the tattered and torn, seeking an answer to why they were born. Winds of misfortune have cast them about. You made the outcast. Don't